Hello, this is MsR, and I'm going to explain double displacement reactions. Note that this video will only contain one reaction, not two like you're supposed to do. So we're going to start out with potassium iodide and lead nitrate. Notice that there are four different players here. There's the potassium ion, there's the iodide ion, there's the lead ion, and the nitrate polyatomic ion. They're going to react with each other to produce potassium nitrate and lead iodide. Notice we had blue and green here and orange and red here, and now the partners have recombined, so we have blue and red and orange and green. So they've just switched partners. Let's watch and see what that looks like. We'll set up two nitrates here. We'll put two potassiums here and two iodides and a lead ion. We only have one lead. I put a banana on the potassium because you can get potassium biologically from eating bananas. Iodide is often used to treat water. Lead is used to be used for fishing weights. Hopefully you're not using it anymore because it can poison ducks. And nitrate, I didn't have anything good, so I just put the structure of the polyatomic ion. Now when these recombined, we take the positive potassium ion and recombined it with the nitrate ion. That's going to be soluble. Here are the solubility rules. We know that nitrates are always soluble. And there are a few exceptions down here to the always soluble group here. The purple asterisk is for sulfates and group 7, and the green asterisk here is for sulfates. We know that nitrates have no exceptions, so they're always going to be soluble. So this will remain in solution. When we have lead iodide react, that's not going to stay in solution because of the exceptions. PMS is an exception where lead it forms a precipitate. So when lead reacts with group 7 here, or group 17, excuse me, when lead reacts with group 17, it's going to create a precipitate. So here are the solubility rules, and here is the exception to the solubility rules, lead with group 17. This is why lead iodide is going to precipitate out as a solid. You'll notice here when I wrote the original reaction, I put an S for solid. We have a couple spare pieces here. We need another one over here because this is lead iodide. Iodide has 2 because this is a positive 2 ion, and we have 2 copies of potassium nitrate. There you go. There's one reaction.